Calls for more monkeypox vaccines continues. This time coming from Senator Alex Padilla. The senator visited the vaccine clinic at Zuckerberg San Francisco General Hospital today. He is urging the federal government to send at least 600,000 more doses here to California. Ground Force Rob Nesbitt joins us now live from the newsroom with a look at how that number compares to the need for doses in San Francisco. Anywhere close?
The Department of Public Health in San Francisco had initially requested 35,000 doses of the Jynneos vaccine. The department's director saying today that the virus could become endemic if that need isn't met and met soon. Friday will mark the 100th day since the first reported case of monkeypox in the U.S., and the speeches at podiums continue. This time, Senator Alex Padilla calling for 600,000 more vaccines for the Department of Health and Human Services.
Sustained periods of limited vaccine availability early on in a public health crisis is a recipe for disaster.
California surpassing 3,000 mpox cases, the second highest in the nation behind New York. In San Francisco, Director of the Department of Public Health, Dr. Grant Colfax, says 12,000 shots of the Jynneos vaccine are needed to stop the spread.
If we don't do enough, we face the possibility that this disease could become endemic and continue to harm people for the foreseeable future.
While some parts of the country have started to offer second doses, San Francisco's vaccine clinics continue to prioritize first shots only. Infectious disease expert at UCSF, Dr. Peter Chin-Hong, says those concerned about the delay should be put at ease, knowing the effectiveness of first doses.
The jumps out of the car is ready, the first shot. And the booster is just a reminder to the immune system in the same way we think about boosters for COVID vaccines.
He expects second shots will be offered here within the next 6 months. Cases continue to rise, but at slower rates. And the doctor says he's seeing a drop in serious cases, crediting vaccines and those who have already tested positive.
Because if you had mpox, you're not going to get it again. We think that you have immunity for many years, if not lifelong.
Dr. Colfax said today that the San Francisco Department of Public Health is expecting to get 8,000 more vaccines soon, but he did seem a bit skeptical of that promise from the feds, referencing the last shipment of 1,600 doses, which is far less than the 10,000 that came before that. Reporting in the newsroom, I'm Rob Nesbitt, Cron 4 News.